Independence Day was also celebrated in all districts of Manipur yesterday. 78 Independence Day was observed at Kamjong Higher Secondary School ground in Kamjong district yesterday. Deputy Commissioner of Kamjong, Rangnamai Rang Peter, hoisted the national flag on the occasion and remembered the freedom fighters of the nation. DC Rangnamai Rang Peter also appealed to government officials to carry out their duties diligently and to serve the nation. Meanwhile, Independence Day was also observed at Thoubal Mini Secretariat Complex with Thoubal DC, Ahantem Subhash hoisting the tricolour. Independence Day was also celebrated at Apollo Ground Mini Stadium in Tamenglong with DC Dr. L. Angshim Dangshawa as the main guest of the ceremony. A bike rally was also organized from Apollo Ground to Medical Gate as part of the observance, followed by an exhibition football match. Independence Day was also observed at None District with None DC Sharat Chandra Aroju hoisting the national flag. DC Sharat Chandra Aroju in his address urged people to take part in nation building. On the other hand, 78 Independence Day was also observed at Juribam District with District Administration Juribam organizing the event at Juribam Higher Secondary School playground. Juribam Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar hoisted the national flag, urged people to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters who have given so much for the freedom of this great nation. Independence Day was also celebrated at New Mini Secretariat Complex Bishnupur with Deputy Commissioner Laurembam Bikram unfurling the national flag. A total of 13 contingent comprising of Manipur police personnel, Home Guard, VDF personnel, ASHA, Anganwadi workers along with students took part in the march past.